What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. You already know I'm Avis. This is going to be a hair review tutorial for you guys. I received 3 bundles and a frontal from this company called Yiroo. Okay, shout out to them. Their hair is really nice. I used 2 bundles and a frontal. It's a 13 by 4 or 13 by 6, can't remember, but the details will be below in the description box as well throughout the video as I'm doing the hair tutorial. So you guys know I am loving the bobs right now, well, curly bobs only right now, and I had to do another one which is longer, by the way, and I am loving it. It's so sexy. I like how I did my little cute cut bang there. Also, I can just like stroke it backwards to give it like a layer effect, and I can just show off my face and put some cute little hoop earrings on and go. You hear what I'm saying? But anyway, you guys, I am loving this hair. The hair is very beautiful, very thick, very soft. I have a picture of what the frontal looked like when I took it out. Also the bundles, very nice. Once again, I used 2 bundles and a frontal. I didn't want it super full, so I only used 2. I got 3 because I did not know what style I was going for at the time. But now I know, and I'm really loving it. So anyway, you guys, so check out this tutorial. Let me know, guys, know what you think about the hair. You know, only thing I put on it is water, and yes, amazing. I love it a lot. I really love it a lot. So anyway, like I said, check out the description box and be sure to watch the video for any information, details you may need. It was very easy and simple to apply. I just did little tiny baby hairs, just a small amount, nothing too much. Didn't want to go crazy, just enough to make it look very natural. You know what I'm saying? So thank you for watching once again. I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.